Now we will solve PVIF sums. So the formula is present value equal to future value into 1 divided by 1 plus r whole power n. Here the question is, what is the present value of rupees 1000 receivable 20 years hence if the discount rate is 8%? So they asked us to find present value, and future value of rupees 1000 is already given for 20 years, that is n, and r is equal to 8%. So 8% in the sense 8 divided by 100 equal to 0.087 r. So if you substitute the value in the place of future value 1000 into 1 divided by 1 plus 0.08 into n20 as they given in the question, we get this step. Now let me show you how to solve the further steps. Let me show you the calculation. So here it is 1 divided by 1 plus 0.08 power 20. So when we add this two, we know it's going to be 1.08 and power of 20. So first let's solve this down. So 1.08, you know how to calculate it, right? 1.08 into 1.08, we get 2 times. Then remaining for 18 times, just click equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have got 4.660. And here we have taken the value 4.60606. Then divide this value by 1, you get 0.214. Multiply with 1000 and you will get rupees 214.5. In this question, they are given uneven cash flow for 8 years. We know when uneven cash flows are given, we want to use PVIF formula. So present value equal to future value into 1 divided by 1 plus r power n. So let me show you the calculation, and I have missed here it's 3 and this is 4, here 5 and 3000. So some mistake is here. Please do rectify that one. 4000 and this is 7th, 6th year, 7th year, 8th year. Yeah, correct. 8th year, 5000. So write down the years and then cash flows as given, and PVIF they will be mentioning in question. I have not written here. So 10%, if in question it is 10, take 10, and present value. The task in this question is to find present value. So let me show you how to find it. Here and cash flow we have written from question, and PVIF they will be mentioning you in the question that PVIF is at 10%. If it is 20%, you will take your 20%. So since here 10%, it will be like, we know formula of present value is 1 plus r power n. So we will be taking only this formula and finding the value. So 1 plus r is 10%. So 10 divided by 100 is 0.10, and n. The 0th year is the initial investment. So here it's nothing, just an hyphen, and the same amount will be written in the present value column as it is an investment amount. Since it is first year, as I shown you here, 1 divided by 1 plus 0.10 power 1. If you solve this one, I have teached you in the previous time how to solve. So try to solve. If you solve this, you will get 0.909. And you have to multiply this with 1000. This interest factor with 1000. Here we won't consider future value because we are just finding interest factor. So when we are just finding interest factor for certain percentage, we use only this one, and no future value amount will be given in the question. Even we won't consider it. Got it? So same like for second year, you will apply the same formula, but your year will change into 2. If you solve this, you will get 0.826. For third year, your number of period is going to be 3. So likewise, if you solve it, and remember, you have to multiply this interest factor with the respective cash flow amount, you will get the present value of that year. So for first year we got 909, and for second 1652. If you do it for the 8 years, you will get this amount. So this will be your cash outflow. As you're investing, the amount is going out of your hands. So this is your cash outflow, and this amounts are your cash inflow. So you have to add your cash inflow, that is from year 1 to year 8. You will get 14,618, and your cash outflow is 10,000. So you'll subtract 10,000, then you will get an amount that's going to be your present value. So remember the formula: cash inflow minus cash outflow is your present value. Easy, right?